back to my channel. How are you all? I'm very well. This is me, Muhammad Ahmad, and my brother Mikhail. Today we're gonna be sharing a Ramadan experiment with all of you. So are you ready? Let's start the video now. So have you ever known that some dates float and some dates sink? And do you know why does it happen? Let's find out in today's experiment. So guys, for this experiment, you'll only need some dates and 2 glasses of water. Here I have 2 dates in my hand, one without seed and one with seed. Let's stop 1 date in 1 glass of water.
Mama, use these.
Mama,
This. Mama.
No dates can float. Let's have one more. No? No, it still sinks. You can see both the dates are sink, not floating. So guys, did you know why this date sink? Cause the ones that we have is the fresh ones, and the one that floats is dry date. So you have dry date, it will float both, no matter if you take out the seed and with seed. If you have fresh dates, it'll definitely sink with seed, without seed and with seed. So this was our date floating and sinking experiment. Now let's start with another experiment. So guys, for the next experiment, it is the Oreo Moon Phases. All you need is just a paper plate, a butter knife, and 4 Oreos. So guys, here I have 4 Oreos, and now I'm gonna halven it. So guys, I'm gonna tell you about the 4 moon phases. New moon with no cream. Crescent means small cream. Half moon with half cream. And full moon with all cream. So now let's arrange it. You know when Ramadan starts, it's when a tiny crescent moon. Let me show you the 4 phases of moon in the Oreos. So first of all, let's make the new moon which has no cream. This is really yummy. Now we have crescent moon, which means small cream. Now we have half moon, which means half cream. Now last is the full moon, which means full cream. Guys, these are 4 phases of moon, and guess what? You can also eat the moons. You can do these experiments at home in Ramadan and tell me more about it. I hope you like my Ramadan experiment video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!